This is Jody, and today I'm going to talk to you about planting onion sets. Now's a great time to put them in the ground, and we have all different kinds of options for you here at the store. I'm going to tell you about them right now. So we have your standard yellow onions. We also have the red onions that you can get. We have white onions, and we also have the sweet Vidalia onions. All of these are planted exactly the same way. They just will give you the different colors that you're looking for. So the first step is going to be, you want nice loose dirt. So if your soil is what you planted in last year, you're going to want to go through with a rake or some kind of an aerator and loosen it up. Mine is very loose here, so I'll show you what we do. So the best thing to do with onions is to make yourself a wide bed. And it doesn't have to be super deep unless you want a really large onion. Then you probably want to go down at least 2 to 3 inches. So we're going to go down about 2 inches here, make a nice wide trough. Now your onion sets are going to be wider on the bottom. That's where your root's going to grow out. This is going to be the top of your onion. So you want to make sure you plant that down. This one's easy to see because it's already sprouted. So that again is going to be your roots. That's going to be the top of your onion. So you want to make sure you put those bottoms down. And you can do them about 1/2 inch. It's easier to do them in a wide bed rather than in a row. They'll kind of grow in together. You can get a lot more onions in a smaller amount of space, and it's easier to take care of them in like a squared area rather than a long row. And again, you just want to put them in bottoms down and kind of about 1/2 inch apart. And then you just want to loosely cover them up. Be careful not to compact the soil too much when you do cover them up. You really want the air to still get into where they're at, and you want to have them be able to kind of push their way out. Last step to successfully growing onions is to make sure after you get them into your bed, you give them a nice dose of a healthy fertilizer. This one I highly recommend for all of your vegetables and fruits. It's Garden Tone, slow release, all organic fertilizer. We'll feed them for 3 months, which will basically get you the whole way through the growing season with these guys. And again, keep in mind, you can do this in the fall. When the temperatures are cooler, that's when the onions grow best. So as our temperature comes back down in the fall, you can repeat this process and be eating onions fresh from your garden all winter long.